Have you all received the information that next week you are having a model examination? Hello?
Yes, sir. 26th, sir.
26th onwards, your model examination starts. Okay. But still, people are not submitted to their assignment. Okay. So I think
Like
all will
answers,
take it to the. Remember? What?
answers கிடைக்கல sir அதுக்கு எனக்கு.
See, almost all the problems that we have solved in the class. I already told that eight problems around that we have solved. 9 problems around that we have solved in the class. Okay, what's the difficulty? I don't know. Answers, if you are having a class notes, then what else you need? I think okay, you can take the problems. See, this is what the assignment one problem. Am I right? I have given 5 problems. Okay, I have prepared assignment 2 problems too. Okay, assignment 2 problems also ready. But still, many people are not even that we are not even uploaded and saying that answers are not available. I think we have solved this problem in class itself. Say for example, the first problem you take it is a 230 volt 50 hertz supplies single phase full converter feeding a DC shunt motor in electric car with a resistance of 1 ohm, inductance of 0.01 Henry, and EMF of 60 voltage. Find the minimum steady state load current with a suitable input output. This is the same problem we have solved in class. I have explained. Okay, I have taken the solution also. See, this is what the solution we have seen. Okay, inside class also we have seen. So the same problem. For that, first we will identify. Then Nirmal Kumar, be able to remember. We have solved the same problem in class also. You are saying that answer is not available. How can I give answer for the problem which we have conducted in class? Why should I give repeatedly? This is what the impedance. Then we identify pi. Then we will calculate the I minimum current. Okay. So what is the value of this expression? Then alpha is equal to 30 degree. What is the current? Alpha is equal to 45 degree. What is the current? Alpha is equal to 105 degree. What is the current? And then we find out that a negative current cannot flow in a full converter. Okay, so the minimum current is taken as a 0. So that is what we have shown. No? And I already given this waveform and all is explained. Okay, how it is in a continuous conduction, how continuous conduction is there. Then we gone for discontinuous current conduction. So I have explained. Then if you are saying that this problem is not able to identify, we can't get solution. Is what I can tell me. So now are you able to solve the first problem?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then we'll go to second problem. The second problem is also once again we have done it same classroom, same problem. In a charge depletion mode, a blended plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle consumes 10 kilowatt hour of electrical energy from the onboard battery and 1.5 liter of gasoline in its first 64 kilometer. Beyond 64 kilometer, the car enters into charge sustain mode, which consumes 6.25 liter of gasoline per 100 kilometer. The car has a total range of 724 kilometers. Calculate the fuel economy of the car. This also we have done in the classroom. We have done. So this is what. Okay, so I can show. Okay, so we have seen that what is the first scenario when the 1.5 liter of gasoline first 64 kilometer. Okay, so what is the how much is the mileage? Okay, how much is the liter per kilometer? That's so we have seen that. Okay, 1 gallon and all. Then we have gone for including both. We have calculated how much miles per gallon. Then beyond 64 kilometer, okay, we have calculated and how much it is in miles per gallon. Then put it all the efficiency, okay, utilization factor. We have substituted and finally we have calculated the 40 miles per gallon. Then plus 10 kilowatt hour of electricity. This is what we already done. Same problem inside the class itself we have solved. Okay, yeah. Then we have seen. Okay, so this is absolutely a formula. Okay, train required to run between two stations 1.5 kilometer apart at a schedule of 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is what a distance, this is what a velocity and duration also given, and braking retardation. Beta is given, and we are asked to calculate alpha or to calculate the acceleration. So if Bm by v is 1.25, Vm by v is velocity and that's the maximum velocity, and out to the average speed is 1.25. So this is what given. So we are very clearly we have done elaborate derivation for that. Okay, so in each case we can able to calculate. We finally we find out an quadratic equation. From that quadratic equation, we can able to solve this problem. Also, I think we have solved in the class itself. I think Nirmal and
Yes, sir.
we people told answers too, but now you're saying that I'm finding out answers. We have, we have seen that another one. Okay, so suppose a battery's cut-off charge is 56%, and minimum is 40%, maximum is 60%. Vehicle speed is 30 km per hour. Vehicle demand power is 25 km. Explain the rule-based management system. Okay, fuzzy rules and all. I told that how from 0 to 20 kilometer only the internal compression engine. After that, it is so that's what we have explained here. The problem also we have seen. Suppose a chopper. Okay, so chopper is there. It is a what is the VDC and what is the inductor, what is the resistance value, what is the battery amount of the particular one, and how much time, beyond time. The same problem that we have already seen. We have the same kind of the first problem. Okay, the same kind of first problem also the same thing. I mean, I max P not hour rate also we are calculated. Okay, so what is the the same thing. The problem here is where they are having this problem also we have done. Okay, I think you can able to see the buck boost converter. Okay, this is what in case of pulse width modulation. Okay, so suppose we are assuming this as a switch and pulse width modulation control is used. So automatically this kind of problem we have solved in the PVT also. Where we had an inductor here, whereas here it is in parallel. Okay, so this is buck boost. Same kind of problem we have solved in last class also. We have seen V naught, we have seen D, what is the Tutti ratio. Okay, after the Tutti ratio, what is the voltage ripple? The voltage ripple, how to calculate. Okay, finally we had an inductor value of this problem also done. Recently we have solved another problem where it is in a system level model. Okay, system level, not a device level modeling. Where the system level modeling is there, we have completely given the converter. Okay, only thing is we want to know the inductor value. That problem also we have solved. This problem also we have solved. So I think we have solved majority of the problem. Likewise, at the very beginning, okay, so maybe at first unit, I think, nickel metal hydride traction battery, a Toyota Prius model I have given, okay, with in which 168 cells are there, okay, with a minimum voltage and nominal capacity of the battery is 6.5 ampere hours, 28 HP output power, okay, and what is the specific power? Specific energy. That also we are given, and we are asked to give energy rating and everything, etc. With the leakage current. Okay, so since it is a nickel metal hydride battery, so we have then definitely there will be leakage current. So leakage current is 30 milliamperes. How many days it will take the battery to self-discharge from 90 to 30? So these are all problems we have solved. Am I right? The class itself we have solved. Are you able to remember the thing or not class notes? How many of you made any class notes? Said not remember. Okay.
Sir, I have, sir.
Okay. So are you able to see? Okay. First unit we have solved this problem. This problem we have solved. And here also another one problem. Hypothetical vehicle is downside engine and electric motor with ultra capacitor pair for electric propulsion resistance. So we decided to have an ultra capacitor. So the vehicle is driven for 25 minutes with a velocity of 30 meters per second. So I asked to convert to kilometers per hour like that. Then a PSFC, okay, so after particular engine is given. So the traction power required is over 13.1 kilowatt. Okay, so ultra capacitor stored energy 1200 kilojoules. Then in that case, what is the fuel economy? Okay, so when I am using the ultra capacitor energy, completely the 25 minutes of driving. Okay, so that means apart from the engine and as well as my motor is receiving power, so the motor power is shared by the capacitor. Okay, so capacitor along with the battery, the capacitor also giving, but it is completely used for 25 minutes. 1200. In that case, what is the fuel economy? That problem also we have solved. Okay, I think only this problem. Okay, so it's not solved. Okay, so this is also once again using the same trapezoidal curve. The train maintain a scheduled speed. What is the scheduled speed is given? Distance is given. The 30 seconds ideal stoppage is given. What is alpha value is given? That is accelerated 2.5 kilometers per hour per second. And brakes. Okay, beta value also given 3.6 kilometers per hour per second. So we have to assume a trapezoidal curve. So first speed we have asked average energy. Okay, how much is the average energy? Okay, so with the tractive resistance average of 45 newtons. Okay, so with the inertia 8%. So these also when we derive the derivation of a trapezoidal curve, a complete details are available. Okay, so this another one also is there, but only thing is here we cannot. It is a quadrilateral one. Okay, so suburban thing we are having, not an main line. So we are having a suburban. In that case, a quadrilateral thing is assumed means we know how to calculate the retardation beta. Okay, so what these are also these are this derivation also we have done. Okay, I think what's the difficulty without trying because one thing I wish to communicate out of this 10 problem, okay, you can expect a maximum number of problems in your end semester question with the values changed or slightly twisted. Okay, so nothing more than that. So as I already told, when we are studying an elective subject, okay, so merely knowing the concept or just to take the concept or some concepts alone will not be helpful when you are going for further study. As of now, I think in last class also I told that how many of you registered that open electric vehicle program? I think 3 people only they sent it. Okay, screenshot. How many of you other what about others? This meeting around 11 members are there. How many of you registered? I'm audible. Hello? Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many of you registered?
Sir, sir.
Normal one normal done.
Sir,
Ashim
Pradeep.
Sharif.
Pradeep, yes, Pradeep. Yes. Another one
Sharif.
person.
Ashim Sharif.
Ashim Sharif, sir.
Who? Azim Sharif. Okay. What about others? What about others? What about others? Situation is outside is every day it is getting very, very tougher. Okay, there is a cutthroat competition is going on. Since last year, okay, and this year, overall getting okay, passed out. Okay, so it is very, very cutthroat competition. Even though some of them they got offer letter last year, till the economic slowdown and the pandemic situation. Okay, so many companies are postponed their joining date. Okay, so they are given only offer letters. So they asked you to wait until this. So that type of cutthroat competitions are going outside. But being a final year, I don't think that people are realizing that. Okay, so now going to be recruited. Okay, so only if you are having a knowledge and stuff in the privilege, okay, so they will not going to pick anything beyond that. So only thing is they will simply by conducting, simply by asking some questions. Okay, so with the interaction of 1 or 2 minutes, they will come to know overall stuff in subject and all. And another one thing also is there, and going to be based on certifications. Okay, so certification, and they will verify few questions with the certification. So mere completion of degree, okay, mere completion of degree or course, I think will not fetch any value. Okay, so that is the reason why which are all okay, so taken at the level of AICT initiative. We are all given importance, and you are also asked to respond for that immediately. But if you are still doing okay, so like a first year, second year student and want to enjoy being a final year, you are having only 2 hours. Maybe after the model examination, the written examination, also maybe 1 or 2 subjects, 3 subjects will be maximum. Then afterwards, what they are going to do? They are decided to be in home. Okay. So in pandemic situation, you can get an opportunity to work from home. Suppose any company recruited based on your certification, based on your skill. Okay, because R&D and other higher level positions. Okay, so they will work wherever they are, even from their home. Only people those who are involved in production and maintenance, service oriented has to be those job, or they may not be get job opportunities. But you have to elevate your level. No? You have to elevate your level. So in such a way that even from work from home option also you should be able to get, provided only you get certification having some enough knowledge. I didn't expect from this final year because people now you see that okay, Anna University. Have you heard that news? It is announced. Okay, open book system, the higher order thinking. Okay, that type of question they are going to say, hey, it is very, very tough. People are thinking that it is easy. Attending an open book examination is very, very tough. They are permitting even you can open the net source, online sources also. Because they are going to set a question in such a way. Only those who are able to understand in-depthly and able to design, solve problems. Okay, those people only going to. So that type of the toughness they are making in the assessment. Okay. But I don't think that how many of you I think how many of you submitted the assignment so far? Anybody? At least first assignment. This five problem. Hello? No one. Okay, anyhow, I think coming Thursday. So today Monday, no? Coming Thursday evening 5 o'clock is a deadline. So after that, okay. So I will not. You have to submit both assignment. You have to submit both assignment. Okay. So I think
Sir,
afterwards I will
sir,
not
we don't
accept
have assignment 2 questions, sir.
assignment 2 questions is not there.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Still, we didn't get.
Yeah, assignment 2. Assignment 2. I'll post it. Okay, maybe single file as a single file. Okay, I'll post both the question. Okay, so
Okay.
you have to immediately respond, and by Thursday evening, I am expecting that because immediately after the model examination over, so they will ask internal mark. Okay, so up to Thursday only, I will consolidate the marks. Okay, so except the model examination mark. Okay, I'll post it in our Google Classroom also. Okay, so how much your internal mark you got? Okay, it is absolutely a open system. Okay, fair system. Those who are submitted only going to get marks. Okay, so in that case, I
Sir,
don't think you can. Hello?
அந்த
Yes?
PDF சென்ட்
Huh?
பண்றீங்களா சார்? PDF சார், PDF.
That also given means what is the meaning of conducting assignment? Giving assignment. Huh?
கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கும் சார். அப்போ
Yes, sir.
Easier. Pathal, you are copied and you repeat. That's all. Nothing will happen. That is already conducted in class. Okay. 7-8 problem we have solved in class. I won't send. This is an assignment. You have to do the same way. Okay, so I explained. You have to write it in assignment and submit. Okay, so I won't give any material regarding this because already we have solved it in class and we have derived. Okay, as far as the trapezoidal and quadrilateral, we have derived completely. And all the problems also, plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle charger and whatever may be the pulse width modulator and converter, everything problem we have solved step by step. Okay, make use of the notes, get it done. Okay, so no more material providing duty. Now we have to learn. Okay, so I am going to be evaluate step by step completely. Assignment, I think your class advisor maybe explained it will be completely rubric based. Okay, whether step by step very clearly indicated or not. Okay, so that way only I am going to assess. No, that's all. He told that no, we don't answer like that. That's all. For that only I explained. This and all completely we have done. Okay, every problem that we have done. Okay, this is first unit problem, and this is also we have done. And downsize the engine. Okay, we are calculating the fuel economy. For this 9 and 10 problem, we have solved and we are having a ready-made formulas available. Only thing is, the first one we have to identify crust speed and energy, and the second problem we have to identify beta. That is, we have to calculate the retardation after substituting. Okay, that's all. For drawing a graph and all, we have to do that. So I think this is enough. We have to refer book. I have given a book material, no? In that very first
Sir, we
class
don't
itself.
have books.
What, Tabi? What's your name? Tell me. What's your name? Have you gone through the Google Classroom? Have you seen the material uploaded? I will not come and post a book to you. Everything available in Google Classroom. Then what else you are referring? I don't know. That's what people are want. வாழைப்பழத்தை வச்சு ஒரு மாதிரி கையில கொடுக்கணும். Very beginning itself, I have posted the materials. Have you seen or not? Because of the reason that the people are, I think, not opening anything material. even ME students, okay, they are attending a very well. Okay, the moment they are giving, they're uploading the assignment, uploading the thing, all answers script and all. But being a final year student, you said that books are not available. I have given a material already. Very first step itself, I have given material. I have given a notes as a first material. Then I have given material afterwards also. That is material 2. Overflowing agricultural vehicles. Every time I am providing material, you have to refer those materials. Material, notes, solution for problem, that everything vehicle dynamics. Who told that no materials, no book are available? Have you seen these things? I have shown. Never referring anything what is available in Google Classroom. Without that, simply speaking, no material. Even you are referred, I created. Okay, I have typed and I have created software drive, vehicle dynamics, solution for problems. Everything I have created, the battery terminologies, and whatever will be the PowerPoint presentation, everything I have uploaded. If you are not seeing that, means I cannot raise. Don't say that it is not available. So enough material available. Okay, so, so refer that. I see that I have problem solution also I have given, but I forgot that. But still it's there. Okay, so without being there, you don't expect that everything commit in a hard copy form, and it is an open system like that. It will come into a table. You have to go. You have to refer this material. Every derivation, everything is there. Vehicle dynamics system is completely starting from the assumption how we are developing a acceleration power. Okay, so what are all the four resistive forces opposing and mathematical modeling, how we are doing finally. After that, it is there. Okay, so simply saying that notes is not available. We are not taking the notes during the class. Problems also we have solved. That also we are not telling and asking the finally answer. Also, even after saying this much explanation I have given, you are asking that PDF will be shared. It's the need of asking the same. The outside world is not like that to be cutthroat competition. Unless otherwise you are not aware of anything, it's too difficult to get a job of it. Completion of degree is not at all a matter now. Completion of degree, as you know, last 2 years, everybody completed. Everybody entered in engineering 4 years back. Everybody completed. Everybody. Okay, so completion of degree, getting a degree is not at all a problem. Okay, going out with a quality release doesn't matter. Try to be a quality. At least this is the learning stage. In this learning stage, also, if people want to, okay, so clearly we will do Xerox duty, take without Xerox duty, learn anything. No one can make you survive unless otherwise you wish to. Okay, that's all. I think I will post that particular assignment also immediately after this assignment 2. So by Thursday evening, I expect okay, at least you will refer all these materials. Okay, you go through the material, you have a derivation, you go through your class materials. If you want, I think You can get it from Nirmal Kumar. Until now, if you have not taken any class notes, you can ask Nirmal Kumar or somebody other students. Okay, so that class we have solved all the problems and all. Okay, take that. Only in that view only you have to present in examination. So simply writing a solution or a formula will not give you marks. You are in final year. You are in final year. The elective skills, elective subjects are is meant for, okay, so both lower order thinking skill and higher order thinking skill. So finally, when you are going out, okay, as I already told that, okay, people will be expecting, okay, something what we learn from elective and your project only. They will not ask anything, any questions in depthly from your other subjects. Okay, they will see your resume and they will find, you have to mention in your resume what are the elective courses, your professional elective course subject you are studying. Okay, and what is your project work? First question, few questions maybe for project work. After that, they will ask questions from elective subjects only. They will not going to ask anything about mathematically what is a triple integral study. Okay, so what is a heat flow equation or what is the circle diagram, how to draw? That type of question they will ask. Okay, because what is the latest subject you studied in that, whether you are having any knowledge or in-depth understanding the project work. Okay, so that only they will verify and come to a conclusion. Because you know that in the interview process, it will not take more than 3 to 5 minutes per candidate. So if anybody want to assess one only with the 3 to 5 minutes means, they will ask questions on these things only. They won't waste time in asking fundamental and very in-depthly. People may not be able to know that. Okay, so obviously that question will not be asked. Okay, so you should be more cautious being a final year, especially in the project work and as well as your elective subject study. Okay. Okay. Another one is the seminar. Okay, seminar topic. So, how many of you interested in seminar? Because the seminar topics, if you are done, okay, I will give you, okay, internal marks out of 40 marks. We are going to give it 5 marks for the assignment and seminar. Assignment and seminar. So, if I have done seminar, okay, I will give you another 5 marks. Another 5 marks. How many of you interested in doing seminar? That too, we are having only 3 periods.
Sir, I am, sir.
Huh?
I am, sir. I am interested, sir.
Okay. Joel. Okay. Joel, then anybody else? We are having a 3 periods only. Next 3 periods. Yes.
Sir, Bani.
You just message in the chat box who are all interested, because it will be recorded. That finally I can give you, I can alert your topic. The chat box mention who are all. Okay. Pradeep, Mukeshwaran, Balaganesh, Nirmal Kumar. Joel, you to type, you to message. Joel, are you in the call? Yes. Okay. So, people interested are Pradeep, Makeshwaran, Bala Ganesh, Nirmal Kumar, Joya. Okay. So since we are having only 3 periods, okay, so 5, 5. Okay, so two each day. 2 each day. Okay. So I make a note of it. Okay, who are all going to present on Wednesday? I will send you the topic. I will send you the topic today through Google Classroom individually to you. Okay, so who are all interested in taking Wednesday? Wednesday. Hello?
So first give the topic, sir, so we can see how long it takes to prepare.
Okay, but anyhow, we are having three periods only, Joel. Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. That's all.
So this
So
week,
for me, be Saturday, sir. So set for me
This week?
Saturday, sir.
One by one.
For me, Saturday, sir.
Okay. Can I take Joel and Hazim Saturday? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Joel and Hazim.
so then I Friday.
Friday, who are all two? Nirmal and
Pradeep, sir.
Nirmal. Pradeep, you have mentioned your name. Okay, Pradeep. Nirmal and Pradeep. Pradeep, Friday.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Wednesday. I think Wednesday, obviously, for Makeshwaran and Balakanesh. Okay. Makeshwaran,
Sir, I'll
Okay,
do it
sir.
Friday, sir.
Makeshwaran and Balakanesh. Huh? So each day, it is for about half an hour, you have to take bath. 20 minutes at least, 20 to 25 minutes. So each day I can allot 2 only. Okay, so as of willing, Joel and Azim on Saturday. Saturday 10:30 to 11:30. Nirmal and Pradeep will do on Friday, that is 9 to 10. And Wednesday, Makeshwaran Balaganesh. No, Makeshwaran, you do it on Friday. Okay. So, based on the availability of time, the complexity will be there. Okay, since Makeshwaran Balaganesh are going to do on Wednesday, okay, very lighter topic, very easy topic only I will give. Okay, I think preparation will not be a complicated one. But whereas Joel and Azim will have a little bit complex topic. Okay, they have to search and they have to work. Okay, prepare well. Okay, so I think they will need some time. Okay, because since time is given, okay, so automatically task also will be tougher. Okay, since the time is very lesser for Mageshwaran and Bala Ganesh, I will give you a very easy topic, simply referring some online materials, resources, and you have to prepare PowerPoint. Okay, so 20 minutes minimum. Okay, Mageshwaran, okay, yeah?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Very simple topic for Mageshwaran Bala Ganesh. Moderate for Nirmal and Pradeep. Okay. It will be very tough. It is a bit complex. Okay, so that type of topics only for Joel. Okay, so if you are done with the perfection, this is for 5 marks, internal mark. If you are done with the perfection and if I clarify the doubts, okay, of your classmates and all or myself, okay, you will get a full mark. Okay, if the percentage is poor, so simply for attempted, then you give some moderate marks, then try to get a full mark. Okay, so that will be exclusively 5 marks in the internal. So I think we will start apart from that 20 minutes. Okay, so we are having a 3 days session. Okay, I will send you. Okay, furthermore materials. Okay, so do you want? I think before last exam, I have sent two chapters material. Do you have it? I think for the CO3 and CO4 I have sent. I think that material is also available. I think, are you able to see? I have sent for converters, I have sent to introduction to electric traction, and I have sent for plug-in hybrid critical vehicle also. Along with the question bank for CAT2, I have sent for converters, PHV and introduction. So I will send, okay, I will share other materials too, that too in today. Okay, so make use of the material. I think even if you refer this converters and plug-in hybrid critical vehicle, there also a lot you can able to understand a lot of problems, especially introduction to electric traction. This is in the PDF file. There also I have given okay all the derivations we have done in the class. See about 30 page. Okay, what is electric traction? Basic definition, advantages, disadvantages. Also is the battery electric drive. Okay, and what are the traction system in India? Everything is there. Okay, including the trapezoidal, and these are all the collectors, the current collectors, a pantograph diagram. Okay, so typical speed type curve, how to fit it in a quadrilateral and trapezoidal time curve. Okay, everything is there, the derivation, everything is available. Okay, so don't simply say that material is not given. Material is available in Google Classroom. Material everywhere, every time. Very frequently, I have uploaded materials. Okay, if you are not seeing that, means it's not my fault. Okay, every time see the before supplementary question bank and material. Same problem. Class problem solution. Okay, today's class problem solution. Supplementary. Okay, and the notes material two. Okay, materials. So very often I have given then and there the materials available. Okay, so remaining materials and also I will put it, I will make it available. Okay, refer them and first for others for everybody. Okay, it is mandatory that you have to submit the assignment before this Thursday evening. Okay. And another task is given for this Maheshwaran, Bal Ganesh, Nirmal, Pradeep, Joel, and Aziz. Okay, you have to present. Okay, so 20 minutes, minimum 20 minutes, 20 slides. Okay, I will communicate the topic to you. Okay, so based on this, since the time available for less for somebody, I will give every topic. Okay, those who are having enough time, they have to prepare it. Okay, such a better material. Okay, that I'll conclude. I think we have completed the syllabus. We have completed. Okay, so some of the content beyond syllabus also. What are the content beyond syllabus we have covered? Anybody able to remember? What's the topic that we have covered? Content beyond your syllabus. What are the topics we have covered? Hello. Anybody able to remember that?
புரியல சார்.
See, this subject beyond the syllabus, content beyond the syllabus, we have covered some of the topics also. What are the content beyond syllabus topics we have covered apart from syllabus? Understand? Hello?
Sir, architecture of ship electrical system, sir.
Yes. That we have covered, huh? Not
Yes,
covered.
sir. சொன்னீங்க sir.
Yes. Architecture one day we have done. Then another one. Another one. The complete electric traction we have studied, no? The complete electric
Yes, sir.
traction, that is not in your syllabus. Okay, so that is not in your syllabus. The electric traction and all the things, because when you studied about electrical vehicle, hybrid electrical vehicle concept, you should know. Okay, that is what we have covered. Okay, so and another one is we have seen the energy storage systems also. Okay, energy storage system. Okay, so with that we have completed. Okay, so all the 5 units. Okay, any topics that you want to revise? I will show. Okay, content in syllabus. Any topic you wish to revise. So this is what our syllabus. Okay, introduction to electrical vehicle, hybrid electrical vehicle, basics of electrical vehicle, electric vehicle propulsion, what are the constituents of hybrid electrical vehicle, basic fuel cell, issues related to fuel cell, comparison of internal combustion engine, basic electrical vehicle and hybrid electrical vehicle. And second unit is introduction to hybrid electrical vehicle model as a load, attractive force, vehicle performance, powertrain, component sizing, series and parallel hybrid. Okay, and electrically peaking concept, DC drives, internal combustion engine, beam slip dynamics, then introduction to plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle, its architecture, fuel economy, problems in fuel economy, power management, plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle design, component sizing, retrofitting technology, grid-to-vehicle technology. Then finally, power electronics in hybrid electrical rectifiers, buck converters, non-isolated DC converter, voltage source and current source emitter, harmonics and its elimination, voltage vehicle, solve problems in converter emitters, PWM rectifier, EV and plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle battery charges, power factor control stage, bidirectional battery charges, contactless charging, wireless charging, modeling and simulation of electrical vehicle, device level and system level, emerging power plant devices and battery management. Any topic you wish to cover extra? Okay, I'll take that. No need, huh? I think Mageshwaran, you tell me, Mageshwaran. Mageshwaran,
Sir.
you tell me, Mageshwaran, any topics you need cover?
புரியல சார்.
ஏதாவது டாபிக் ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா ஏதாவது திருப்பி எடுக்கணுமான்னு கேட்குறேன்.
Oh, no, sir.
you'll manage. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I'll provide the material. Okay. I think I have already communicated the model examination pattern. You know that model examination pattern is each unit 1 2 mark, five, and each unit you have to appear one big question. That is also either or. Two questions will be there each unit. So for 16 mark they conduct. I think I already long before I communicated the. I think the class based also communicated the pattern. Okay. So there is no any part. We separate one question by 2 marks, and each unit you get 10 marks. So each unit you are going to write 12 marks. So 5, 12, 16 marks. Okay, so question pattern will be like that only. So I think I prefer to give more problems. Okay, more problems. Okay, so being a student of engineering, a discipline, you can understand any concept by means of solving problems. The mere concept of knowing concepts, okay, will not be retained in your mind. Once you solve the problems, then you can able to understand. For the type only we have given 10 assignment problems. Apart from this 10 assignment problem, I think some 5 problems that we have solved in class, a different variant, okay, a different kind. So you know that out of this totally 5 unit, you know solve some 15 problems. Okay, so with that values, slightly twisted questions will be coming. Okay, I'm interested in giving more problems. Okay, so I, for that, all of you have to submit the assignment compulsory. If you submit the assignment only, you can be more confident in solving problems. Okay, try it on your own. Don't copy. Okay, I'm giving you materials. I'll give materials, some more materials now also. Okay, I will upload that in Google Classroom. Okay, try to solve on your own. Okay, so generally in examination also step by step you will solve. Okay, so it will be a time consuming. Use calculator, how to use calculator, some expression. Because I have shown some problems, you know, I'm expecting the answer in such a way. Say for example, the very first problem. Same, I'm expecting the answer because I have prepared, I have typed. See that it is nowhere it is available. No book is given like this. This is I have prepared. Okay, because I have to give to students. I have prepared type. Okay, are given R and L. What is the impedance? Okay, what is the pi value? What is the minimum current expression? With that, if I'm substituting alpha is equal to 30 degree, each value is substituted. R substituted. Okay, L value 0.0 is substituted. Okay, so if you want to calculate the VM, it's the value of voltage multiplied by root 2, that is 1.414. That also I have substituted. Every expression I have substituted. I have used equation editor. Okay, so go do like this. Same way I'm expecting the answers also. This many steps will be there. Every step. Simply writing a I minimum current at alpha is equal to IM is equal to 83.826. I will not give this. Okay, so steps are very much involved. Okay, so that is the way only you are indicating. Okay, indirectly indicating that you have solved the problem and you have used calculators. That is very, very important. So obviously in examination, values will be changed. Okay, if you have a book that will not be given maybe 60 hertz or 55 hertz, inductance value will be 0.015 to EMF maybe 40 voltage, and in that case you are asked to calculate. So obviously, unless otherwise you substitute the value and find out the answer, you cannot answer. Okay? So that way I'm expecting even in assignments also the same way. So then only you having a practice. Okay. Irrespective of the values or some twisted form it is asked. Okay, so automatically it will be easy for you when you are applying appearing for the examination. The flow will come very quickly. Okay, I think with that I will complete. So Monday, Wednesday. Okay, I will send the topic today itself. Mageshwar and Bala Ganesh. So 20 slides, minimum 20 minutes. and you have to clearly explain. You have to, any doubts and clarification comes, that also you have to clarify. Okay, very neatly. Okay, this I think we will come to complete attendance. Akash is there. Akash, answer attendance, unmute. Akash. Akash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arun, P. Arun. P. Arun. P. Arun absent. Huh? Arun Kumar. Balaganesh.
Present, sir.
Balaji. M. Balaji. Okay. Azim. Ashim.
Hashim present, sir.
Jayasurya. Jayasurya. Absent. Nakeswaran.
Present, sir.
Muhammad Nazim.
Present, sir.
Muhammad Azhar.
Present, sir.
Muhammad Saib. Muhammad Swaib. Naveen. B. Naveen.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Muhammad Swaib. Okay. Nirmal Kumar. Nirmal Kumar. Okay. Nirmal Kumar.
Present.
Pradeep. M. Pradeep.
Present, sir. Present,
Sudarshan.
sir.
Sudarshan.
Present, sir.
Surya Prasad.
Present, sir.
Okay. Pratik Kumar. Pratik Kumar Gupta.
Present, sir.
Joel.
Present, sir.
Okay. Who are all got that OD? Abhishek. Huh?
Abhishek,
Balamurugan.
Balamurugan, Brijesh.
Three persons only. Okay. So absentees are B. Arun, Arun Kumar, Jayasurya, Mohammed Yasir, and Uday Kumar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can leave.